Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to turn on threads on Instagram bio, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn on the threads on Instagram bio, first open up your Instagram app, and on this interface guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see a profile picture icon in a small circle. Tap on it, and over here guys you can see the edit profile option available for us at the middle section of the screen just below the profile dashboard. Tap on edit profile, and over here guys it says the show threads badge, and at the right side of that there is the toggle icon for it. Tap on it and it will turn to blue, which means it is turned on. And after that guys, after doing that, your threads badge or the threads will be shown on Instagram bio. And guys, this is how to turn on threads on Instagram bio. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.